Welcome back to Berry Berry Life. On today's episode, we're making a quick and healthy chickpea feta salad. We'll start by adding 2 cans of cooked chickpeas to a large mixing bowl. Next, we'll dice up an English cucumber. We'll leave the skin on, and the great thing about this cucumber is we don't need to remove the seeds. There are typically 2 types of cucumbers. One type for slicing and the other for pickling. Cucumbers are believed to have originated in southern Asia. They're part of the same family as squash or melons. Then we'll dice up half a red onion. We like red onion for 2 reasons: the vibrant purple color, and it's a little bit spicy, which adds a punch to the salad. Onions contain sulfur compounds. These compounds are what makes your eyes water when you cut the onion, and they're the same ones responsible for the onion's unique flavor and aroma. You can rinse or soak the onions in cold water to reduce their pungency. Next, we'll ball up a fistful of parsley and give it a rough chop. We love the citrusy zest of the parsley in this salad. There are 2 types of parsley, Italian and curly. Today we're using Italian, but the curly works great as well. Next, we'll add some fresh mint. We snip the leaf at the base and separate like this. This reminds me of mint julep. Sure could go for one right now. Now we'll gather all the leaves, roll it up, and give it a rough chop. It's great biting into a fresh mint leaf for a burst of freshness. Lastly, we'll crumble some feta. It adds a nice creamy and savory element. You can also cut it with a knife. It's just more fun this way. For the dressing, we're keeping it simple. We'll add the zest of a whole lemon. We have these large Meyer lemons. Lemon zest is a versatile flavor booster. Use it in lemonade, dessert, or cocktail for an extra burst of lemony flavor. Then some freshly ground black pepper and some salt to taste. We don't add a lot of salt because the feta itself is salted. Then to complete the dressing, we add 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil, or EVU, along with the juice of the entire lemon. Then, using a silicone spatula, we mix gently using the fold method, being careful not to crumble the feta anymore. We love this bowl because it has a lid, easy to store away in the refrigerator. You can eat this salad right away, but we usually like to chill it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. This allows the flavors to blend. Once chilled, it's ready to be devoured. There you have it, Garbanzo or Chickpea Feta Salad. Perfect for a quick healthy snack or a summer picnic. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!